Horticulture Expo in downtown Mobile, and my goal today is to show y'all a lot of different aspects of horticulture that you may not have already been aware of, and one of those I'm standing in front of right now is what's called liners in the plant world, in the horticulture world. Essentially, these are all plants that you would normally see in a 1-gallon container or a 3-gallon container at your local garden center, but they start out as these teeny tiny little plants. You can see here, they take these teeny tiny little plants, they'll what they call pot them up, they'll put them in a larger pot with dirt so that these little tiny plants can spread their roots, they'll grow larger, then usually they'll pot them up to a larger size from there. So by the time that you get it, it's probably passed through maybe 3 nurseries. You know, it goes from a seed or a tiny little sprig, turns to this, then it goes to a 1-gallon, then a 3-gallon, and then it hits the retail nursery. So many hands have touched every plant that you purchase at your local garden center, but they all got to start somewhere, and here's the beginning of that. So just think about kind of that whole process as you shop. It's so deep, and there's so many things that go into it to turn out a really healthy plant for you when you shop.